Built for the high plains of Wyoming comes a machine handcrafted for legends. Project Snowy Range is a Defender 110, rugged heritage with classic design. Beneath its Coniston green gloss finish, a roaring GM LS3 6.2 litre V8 delivers raw strength, paired with a manual transmission that puts every gear shift firmly in your hands. Heavy-duty axles, a central locking differential, and upgraded E.C.D suspension ensure control whether it's asphalt, gravel or the backcountry. Wrapped in a 6-point external roll cage with mounted LED spot lamps, a full brush guard and BFG all-terrain tyres, this Defender demands the adventure it was especially prepared for. Every detail, from the black Sawtooth wheels to the Zermatt silver roof and custom ceramic coating, speak to handcrafted resilience. Inside, the story continues. Sport seats in royal Cognac leather with diamond stitching bring refined comfort, while classic black trim and a Momo prototypo steering wheel keep the driver connected to tradition. Modern tech discreetly enhances the cabin. Gel audio sound, Apple CarPlay, rear cameras and air conditioning blend in luxury with utility. Project Snow Range is a symbol of craftsmanship, of individuality, of the enduring Defender spirit, rebuilt, redefined and ready for a new frontier.